Oh, wow! Ang ganda to, eksakto sa likod.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning!
Hyper na naman po siya. Hindi pa yung kumakain. And today we are making another batch of these since we have some leftover tortillas from last night's quesadilla. Then there's some mozzarella as well. And we'll try this too. We'll be making cheese quesadilla. And we'll be using this as well. Again, the presser choo-choo-ness. So let's see. I haven't tried making a cheese quesadilla, but we'll find out what will be the result. Ooh. Okay. Let's see.
Our souls align. Spread the filling gently, chicken, beans, and spice. Fold us over neatly, press with all our might. Golden brown and crispy, everything so nice.
Swiss miss.
Everything so right. In our little kitchen, up so high, quesadilla love.
Pero
With every bite, our hearts entwine. Cooking up love, our souls align.
Good morning!
it's not morning, but it's already 8:29 p.m. And we're here at
Diggers.
Diggers Club. And we have our food here already, but we'll switch seats. And there is a live band later.
Yes, that's why we came here. We just wanted to
Yes.
check them out.
While eating,
Also, shoutouts to Daddy Jun. He'll be here later.
yes, he'll
We
be here.
invited
We'll
him.
be
He's my partner in
this
crime.
Friday night.
Yes.
Wow. That is all. We just want to update you. So now we will switch seats na.
Yeah.
This is our food. We have spaghetti bolognese. We have the rump steak of Claro, and we have the stir-fry something. For Claro's dad. Hindi ko alam yung ano ba sa stir-fry. Okay, now we'll switch seats so we can get a good view of the stage.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
From the very start, you were ready with the broken heart. That's the people what I'm telling you. People waiting for the run. He was just a hired hand, working on the dreams she planned to try. The days go by. Like a flower in the world of music. I would know, have you ever seen the rain coming down sunny days? The days before, sun is cool and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. People ran on and go through the circumstance that's going. I know it can't stop my wonder. I'm gonna travel to the terrible trouble, Africa, Alabama, and the railroad down the left coast and Colorado. There we go, ready? Look. Sweet Caroline, good time. Oh, I couldn't fly to the things that never was. Oh, no. Sweet Caroline, to the things that never was. Oh, no, no.
I got a feeling.
We are back to our cooking agendas. Agendas. What? Lost na ako. We are back to cooking, and today we are making some spam dip in eggs. Also, it's June 14. Morning! Let me get the eggs first. First, you need to get the eggs. ASMR. Then wait, let me get the spam. Now we have the spam, so let's do this thing. And then beat the eggs first. Since we have like a medium egg, but
I got a feeling in the morning. I got a feeling in the night.
and also I forgot to add some salt. Konting salt lang. Konti lang. Yan.
Celebrate today, 'cause I'm your man.
We need to dip the spam in the egg and then we fry it. And I will do an attempt on opening the kalan.
But I'm here for backup again.
Yeah, because last time Claro was the one who opened the kalan.
For the first time.
Yeah, no.
3. Ooh!
Did you see that? I opened it up. Now we'll put the pan. Purple. We're good. Time to cook the Kung hindi ka lang kung nakasabi ka lang, pakita ko pa sumasayaw ka dyan. Pero wait, okay. Now we need to dip the spam here. And then we'll be using a bit of the grass-fed butter that Claro's been talking about.
It's healthy, guys.
Ano?
It's healthy. It's healthier than cooked normal.
This is the finished product of the spam dip in egg, which I don't think is any different from the spam itself. And then I cook the remaining eggs. So yeah, hopefully okay naman siya. Okay, let's eat. And now we'll have the taste test of the spam dip in egg, which I don't know, wala namang pinagbago.
Speg.
Speg.
Or egam. Basta
No.
speg. Oh.
Dalawa naman yung kinuha ko.
I'll just buy it.
Namang pinagbago.
What's the taste like? The spam tastes a bit. Yeah, the spam tastes different now.
Look at this. It's very cute.
It looks like a flower.
It
I
looks
can
like
finally
a
say that.
flower, but it's a Ferrero. Look, cutie. Cute. Claro's mom gave me this.
I wanna go and have some fun, 'cause I'm so young, I wanna move.
Good morning. It's actually morning though.
Yeah, it's very early. Ay, hindi, not that early na kasi it's
Very
11:36, but we woke up very early.
It's not actually early. Today is June 15.
Yes, the 15th of June. Ulit lang eh. Yun ang ambag ko kasi taga-ulit ng word.
And tomorrow is Dad's birthday, June
Tomorrow
16.
is the 16th of June.
Tomorrow is Dad's birthday, it's 16th of June. But today, we just came back from church and we are going to have an early celebration of his birthday because it is a Sunday and most people will have work tomorrow. So might as well do it today. I'm gonna go to a buffet. You know a buffet? Buffet.
Buffett.
Sorry. Buffet, sorry. Actually, no, it's buffet.
Kasi
Buffet.
bigyan kita ng time para pag-isipan mo kung ano gagamitin mo. Ano?
Buffet. Let's go. With family and friends. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I wanna wake up on a Sunday, I wanna go and have some fun, 'cause I'm so young, I wanna move. I wanna jam. I wanna celebrate today, 'cause I'm your man. Yes, I'm your man. I wanna move. I wanna jam. I wanna celebrate today, 'cause I'm your man. Yes, I'm your man. Sensational. I'm your man. I'm your man. I'm your man. Yes, I'm your man. 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 Yes, I'm your man. I'm gonna celebrate tonight, 'cause I'm your man. Yes, I'm your man.
From Kuya Mar, ang kal. Hotpot. Oh, wow. Ang ganda to, eksakto sa likod. Aba. Thank you so much, Mark.
Electric pa.
Ay, kagandahan naman.
Thank you.
Ganda naman, oh. Sakto sa likod to, ah.
Anong gagawin next?
Electric, tapos ilagay mo sa likod mo. Sa likod mo, sa legs mo.
Pwede pang hiramin ni Roali to. Stomach, back, shoulder.
Shoulder. Ikaw, pwede mo yan. Sa ulo, pag mainit ang ulo mo. Lalong iinit. Mayroon pang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin nito.
Ha?
Ay.
We have an egg. This is Claro's head. When you look at it, it looks like it's whole. Pero on the side is... Claro will show us how, ano...
Guys, it is June 16. Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday po.
It's like 12 something a.m. past midnight. But Easter was like March, April. And we're just opening the Easter egg
Late
now.
Easter.
Yeah.
Right now.
Here you go.
Wow.
Have a bit of gander of that.
Wow. We zoom in ko. Okay. Now let's taste it. I like the white chocolate of Cadbury. Very yummy. I can't move the whole of it. Some piece.
Where?
Gilid ko. And we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Always know that you are loved and that God loves you so much. And
Salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo. Yes.
ClaRoali birthday. Ano?
Buffet.